What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to be discussing what worlds lie in the vast expanse of the universe beyond our pale blue dot, some of which harbor horrors almost beyond comprehension. Our first stop takes us to a planet where the atmosphere is a toxic brew, capable of melting flesh and corroding metal in seconds, otherwise known as Eddie's bathroom after a Taco Bell bender.
And there isn't enough Prilosec on this planet to protect you from my toxic brew.
Oh, I wish we could get sponsored by Prilosec. That'd be great.
Be awesome, wouldn't it? I wish I could get sponsored by them too. My bathroom would appreciate it. You know how much it costs to replace a toilet every 6 months? Venus is the second planet from our sun in our home solar system, named after the Roman goddess of love, sex, beauty, and fertility. And while incredibly beautiful from afar, is a lot like an ex-wife you used to be really into. The planet's warm yellow glow absolutely begs you to come closer, but it's a trap. Because beneath its thick clouds lies a hellscape of extreme heat, crushing atmospheric pressure, and sulfuric acid rain. It's a place where asphalt and lead melts like butter, and it is absolutely bone dry.
Don't say it, Eddie. Don't say it.
And because Venus rotates in the opposite direction as most planets in our solar system, it has incredibly long days and nights. A day on Venus actually lasts longer than its year. Again, the ex-wife analogy it seems to be on point here.
Okay, Eddie, show me on the doll where you were touched.
It was my butthole. Because we humans like a challenge, conversations have actually happened about possible human habitation of Venus. It's been a subject of interest for potential human colonization due to its proximity to Earth and its similar size and composition. While it might be possible to terraform the planet one day, basically making it more Earth-like, at the beginning, humanity would need to live in the clouds of Venus, Star Wars Bespin style. Studies of Venus have shown significantly lower atmospheric pressure, water vapor, and potentially a layer of oxygen in the upper atmosphere that could support a floating human colony initially, until we could figure out how to alter the planet's atmosphere. She's a mess, but I swear I could change her.
Eddie, that was perfect. No notes.
Glea 581c, the quicksand planet.
Glea 581c is the first exoplanet on our list. What the hell was that?
I was clearing my throat, bro. Don't make it weird.
Glea 581c is the first exoplanet on our list. That means it orbits another star outside of our solar system. Glea 581c is a super-Earth. But there's a twist. Its surface is covered in vast oceans of quicksand, making every single step a gamble with death. One wrong move, and you could be pulled beneath the surface, never to be seen again. For all you Gen Xers, it's like an entire planet of the one pitfall level everyone hated the most.
Oh no.
Jeez, f that level and f you, Atari. Fun fact, there's a zone around each star where the distance is just right for liquid water to exist on that surface of a planet. Astronomers call it the habitable zone, or the Goldilocks zone. Glea 581c orbits within the Goldilocks zone of its star, Glea 581, leading astronomers to consider the possibility of liquid water and potentially even the existence of simple life beneath its surface. Maybe the sandworms of Arrakis chillax there? I don't know.
They don't. Water is poisonous to the Shai Hulud. We literally just did a video about this, Josh. I'm deducting 500 nerd points from House Josh Indoor.
He is not Lisan Al-Gaib.
I hate you both so much right now. Just putting that out there. Glea 581c was also one of the first exoplanets discovered within the habitable zone of its star, sparking excitement in the search for potentially habitable worlds beyond our solar system. You have to remember, we didn't find the first extrasolar planet until the mid to late 90s. This was a pretty big deal. I mean, before that, we were watching this shit.
Whoa! I am out of here.
Hey, how dare you? Gordon Shumway is the best.
Hey, I'm from Melmac.
I mean, you call him by his name, Gordon Shumway. Hey, Willie.
HD 189733B, the Sapphire Inferno.
HD 189733B, and my social security number is.
Sounds like you're giving away your zip code.
I know. HD 189733B may seem like a beautiful blue jewel from afar, but don't let its appearance fool you. This gas giant will blow your ass away with winds reaching over 5,000 miles per hour, whipping up a storm of hot molten glass that will shred any spacecraft foolish enough to venture too close.
Do you see?
The atmosphere of HD 189733b, which is not my social security number, contains clouds made of silicate particles, the same kind of stuff that makes up most sand and therefore glass on Earth, which gives it its striking blue coloration and also makes it the Freddy Kruegerest of the planets because it rains probably sharp pieces of glass that then get blown around 5,000 miles per hour.
It's always funny to say the Freddy Kruegerest of planets.
HD 189733b also experiences extreme temperature variations between its day and night size, with temperatures reaching over 1,000 degrees Celsius during the day, 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, and dropping to 650 degrees Celsius at night, 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit. That's a 350 degree drop. This bipolar ass Final Destination planet gets no star review from me. It's a big nope.
I love that Eddie believes that anybody besides like our family is watching this, and that he has to make sure that like Europe and Canadians know that it's 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit.
That's hot.
PSR B1620-26b, the time dilation planet. PSR B1620-26b, also known as Methuselah, orbits a pulsar, which is a rapidly spinning neutron star. Also, side thought, PSR B1620-26b is our product code on the Prilosec website. Helps us out. Go get your poo on. So the gravitational forces at play around the star are so intense that they warp time itself, making mere minutes on the surface equivalent to years passing in orbit, just like an interstellar.
Come on, Tars.
PSR B1620-26b orbits a binary system consisting of a white dwarf and the pulsar, making it one of the oldest known exoplanets at approximately 12.7 billion years old. Now, the whole universe is only about 1.5 billion years older and roughly 3.5 times older than our solar system. The intense radiation from the pulsar in this system likely strips away any atmosphere the planet may have, leaving it exposed to the harsh conditions of space. And the planet also, due to its age, has possibly broken its hip, but we're not sure. TRES-2b, the black planet. Felt like racist saying that.
Really, Josh? You gave the black guy the black planet?
I just figured you'd really want to read it since you usually close these videos out, and it's the last planet. I can have Eddie read it if you don't want to.
No. I'll read it just like the black guy usually dies in the first credits of the scary movie. I'll go last. TRES-2b holds the title of the darkest planet ever discovered. Its surface absorbs almost all light that hits it, making it darker than coal and colder than ice. It's a place where perpetual darkness envelops everything, casting a shadow over the very concept of light. It's basically a Vanta black planet. TRES-2b is tidally locked. What does tidally locked mean?
They think there's a ring on the twilight section of the planet where you could actually have life.
That's like that movie Riddick.
Yes, exactly.
Exactly like that, actually.
Boom. But with 20% less family.
One side always faces its star while the other side remains in darkness, which helps contribute to its extremely low temperatures. Despite its darkness, TRES-2b emits a faint red glow due to its high temperature and absorption and re-emission of energy from its star. It's basically old school Kevin Federline.
Let's be real. If Space Andrew Jackson decided that America needed to manifest destiny its way into space, you know that white people will be getting all the good planets and everyone else gets the black planet.
Yeah, they're going to send us to like Titan or some shit. See if you motherfuckers can swim. There you have it, folks. 5 of the most terrifying planets in our universe. A big note for me. Stay tuned next time when we talk about the 5 most terrifying things Eddie ate last week.